Lakeshore High School has been known for having one of Michigan's more prestigious bowling programs due to being a part of the Macomb Area Conference MAC Red Division, the most challenging of the 4 divisions in their conference. But for LSHS senior Vance Harvey, this is an advantage, as he's been a part of Lakeshore's varsity division since freshman year and has big plans for the future. As the 2023-2024 season comes to a close, Vance Harvey reflects on his 4-year LSHS bowling career and dives into his plans for the future.
What it means to me to be a part of the Lakeshore High School bowling team is a sense of leadership and knowing that I have somewhere to go. It keeps me busy and out of trouble. The advice that I would give to incoming bowlers is to just stick with it. It's a great way to make friends, and the coaching staff is always going to be there for you no matter what you're going through, whether it's like emotional stuff or if you just need help with bowling, they're always going to be there for you. My favorite moment from bowling here is when we won the Macomb Area Conference varsity teams tournament. There was just a sense of unity between me and my teammates that was just unbreakable at that moment. And it was just an experience I would pay to go and relive just one more time. If I got the opportunity to bowl collegiately, there's a couple schools that I'm looking at right now. One being Shorian University. They have a really good bowling program. And then the next one I'm looking at is Spring Arbor University. They also have a good bowling program. And I'm excited to see where I can get with bowling and collegiate.
As the 2023-2024 season winds down, we wish Vance the best of luck for the remainder of his senior season and his senior year.